Very good morning. It looks like the weather has decided to spoil the holiday mood for most people. We have some cold fronts passing through, and we started to see some very heavy rains over the southwestern areas yesterday. It is going to stay wet this Thursday over the Western Cape, with up to 60% chance of rain all the way from Cape Town through the Garden Route into the south coast of the Eastern Cape. Much of the Eastern Cape will be seeing just some isolated showers. Then over the eastern areas, we are also going to be seeing fairly eventful weather with isolated to scattered thunder showers forecast for parts of the northwest, Limpopo, Gauteng, through the Free State into Mpumalanga and down into KwaZulu-Natal. It is going to be a cold day over the southern areas, dry for the northern Cape, and we could see the sun coming out to shine a little bit in some areas around Kimberley and Appington. Now we have quite a number of weather alerts, severe thunderstorms for this afternoon for parts of the northwest, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, and also the Free State. Strong damaging winds along the Eastern Cape coastal areas and big waves also expected over the south coast and the southwest coastline. So if you are in any of these parts of the country, you need to exercise a lot of caution. Here's how Gauteng is going to look like. It's going to be partly cloudy to cloudy with isolated to scattered thunderstorms. Temperatures in the lower to mid-20s with Bronkhorstspruit and Pretoria warming to around 24 degrees. Then further north into Limpopo, it is going to be much warmer here. Hot even as we go towards the low-felt areas where highs in the mid-30s are forecast for Palabora, Giani, and also around Thohoyandou. Down into Mpumalanga, it's going to be pretty wet with scattered thunderstorms, especially for the western areas. A sizzling hot 35 for the maximum in Skukuza, where more of sunshine than cloud can be expected. It is going to be mostly cloudy with rain and thunderstorms for much of KwaZulu-Natal. Cold for Kokstad, peaking at just 17. Durban, 22 warmer as we go towards Richards Bay. In the Eastern Cape, we are expecting a pretty wet one, especially for the southern areas. It is going to be cold with KwaNojoli, Graafrenet, and Willowmore peaking at just around 16 degrees. Cold as well for much of the Western Cape, highs in the mid-teens for most areas, including Cape Town, Hermanus, and Cape Agulhas, or warming to just around 15 degrees. Mostly sunny for the bulk of the Northern Cape, but it will be cloudy and wet for the southwestern areas, and there's cold 8 degrees is forecast for Sutherland. Wet as well for the Free State, but dry for the western areas. Temperatures mostly in the lower 20s, and we're expecting a wet one also for the northwest. That's all from the weather desk.